enkoyenim na yentoaso kukranchu medwumadi su ni Asempa 94.7 FM so na abusua wasugu awuti no
The land is good, the land is fine. Gold we have, diamonds we mine. Yet we fight, we cover it all in blood. Tell me why we wallow in the mud. Africa, 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 yeah. Mama Africa, we cry for peace. Africa.
Abusia no nso abapa osima aduonu miensa na ejedu fugu ide we sonko ye ka smoke na fugu no ye say ye bom ye didem we no asema hye bi yeye eze ye twetwetwa ne nchemu sa na sa ye fita fugu ye fita na chese minim kunimdi ejedu ejedu machi o
aw edeni ofadu we meja na ezenia
o ya gba kokora o ya guy papa chese o mbe so be gba kokora nti meka jedu no a
ofadu nana omoni afre
no obi anim se wago
nze eyi
obi anim se wago na me sisa din kakra chese watoroto
eyi baso no brigade baso no na me brigade officer mami ye brigade join me na wonim ayi no brigade no
brigade sabe na moye den brigade de se na me ka se methodist ni presby so na na brigade fo wo mu no mo wadwuma nkasa
ne wadwuma omudu eyemfuo tini brigade fo
kwa me nkroma brigade ni bi
tini omu yeyemfuo forest ni eduane ma na nkrofo kodododo wo tini omu wapafo ana yefa wo na sambre no na me yayi officer ba ko ho
na do nipa ni bi na wo ye officer
ze meme nkoko krachi adwuma no ya che pa ene na so me wo nkwada bebre no ene
koko krachi bia wo bebre
zanie ya na sabre na sika wo ho muti koko na koko krachi koko na krachi fu ani wo Ghana mienu pe koko krachi na lambo krachi
na wo ye koko krachi
wo de bisa obi a fu ni bia no na koko krachi fu ani wo Ghana ha no mienu pe koko krachi lambo krachi eno na sabre no na lampo fo ba fi na nkofo adwane na na no na me bisa tankase fo no se tankase sabre no so no mo so ya krachi fo so no yenka o monka ye ho nti tankase ni ba yuti se tankase aba okromu a na nkofo adwane kokoko tank mo do mfikire yi ukuru aba firi ho se tankase nti nse ka no ye ko nso gu tank mo na ya penti ase ne kota nti bi wadi nso gu kota tank ni mo na kota na bedrodro wani na unum je so pani nti sabira no na krachi fu wo Ghana na yemi no pe gogo krachi ne lambo krachi wodi bisa se no boa wo mu etie no ene wo mu hwe a mo se mo ma me mafidie no so bi no wo mu bisa se krachi fu no mo ya he abeka wo se
na do nya fidie no so abeba efisa wo na chese me try say yam fanto so no wadwa na de na wo pese odada yi omo a pese chese nne na mahu plan no me hwe dressing abwa dressing ene se me be frɛ wo ejedu ene so wadwa na chese wo pese wo ya yese wo ya brantie wo so nya brantie
adiefo na de me ba so ti mo hwe me
o na de na so de nka ho ayefe ufugu no ehye wo no ejedu wo to ne he
no baba akoko srim no de breme
efe
aje
efe
adin finish abese duasa
tese ni fita ne se ni ase pagya kakra o efe o ho ayefe
we ebe finish aduasa nie na ya guru kitia na me de se metwa me ho sa
no wa hye yomu ana eje du ese de ni owo mi enyo wa san se yomu so aka bla you say so I say you have fifa mama so
me abomi me ni papa mumpa ndi wasi me de me huni siesie meti no ntimi me yene sa na pa bo na to nche
There be wusan she yo modi ejedu. Would just say what gender pa ne say.
Oh, anybody who is who do honey.
Eh, no go.
Oh, you who fusa.
And no go. We are sure.
Indeed. Me do no pa na. Ai. Mama dress me ho kakra.
Eh, answer me so.
And my pa boy, a boy no munyinji da wom. Munyinji da wom no mo hwe.
Oluman bugi. Enti wo fedu. Na wo ka bibi fa tankasefo yi ho. E na wo di bi firi ho aba na.
Ai. E na no ada me mama mai. Eto gram fi bi mama. Ai. Grata gram fi. And na me hwe.
Graphic.
No na me ka wo ai. Kojo menza mo ho se hwan show yisu a ene ni abede me kana meti ana ya dai graphic eno mo kan ya yi wosi aka ne sai
graphic
ayo eno aka
graphic kra na de fake ne so na chese about him graphic
enti mo to graphic bi mamia so mo kan ka mama na me ko hunu se o je na no na me ka efi Ghana nkrofo ye nso to ana ye hwehwe bola de gunso ni mo afedia me hu se ye ka no empanifo ni abere emre ye adwuma ayi me hwe ayi before yiso hunu ayi bi ese ensu to na wura bi ehwe ensu gum hu sai ayi no video no
emamienu ene wonum so bola bebre
na me ken kan gram fina na me hu se sa afedia court yese ayi no ema no de wo ma adwane aye hunu wo ena koto ahye se efie wura na wotena ho ema enkrofo ekohwie boda gunsu mu no ya fa no bosika no so mame sika fofuri ayahe
yesi ja empimienu ni akire primienu ni ja hena egu akire eti sika muni na ye kan dia na ye sen 2000 400
and my hunu say afedie mo se ma court for no and am prosi for na go e go ya bon se ma wom na ye ni say ya o ma ne be ye enye zo wo enzo to no hwie ayagum na no krampa making me man kan kire me and almost say ayi court afan if you ru na meti wodi na na court if you ru dey nko ne dey na waye ekina ansa na medwedwe hu sampa if you ru afo ni bi kura meet na ase emomo yesa se ne wo fie ne ati na mo ye efi na wanka ho hwe na ya sama na wo ya kire na ya fan enti ye pa
wa onwo ofadu mmra no wo ho assembly ahodo no mmra no wo ho fa fin a emne ye ne we nyina nke wo se empanimfo no hwede ye adwuma eso wo mfa mmra no nya adwuma e se mmra ne bi so no matumi agina fie wura se ya bone kayo na nko obi eto bola no wagu ni ya fa no obi eto bola no wagu ni ya twena so a enkasa ha wi nketo obetwa Inti we dey ya bo ayi Medina nkwantanan mpanimfo no aba so papa
ne ko ya adwuma no aposifo ne ko ye no
wo mo a echi wo hu papa bi ekuo bi no wonu etwa video no ye bibia de ba yo eti ye say Ghana no wo fadu ka obia ye no hu prosini o yonku ye bibi na nya no wa report no ni atumi ache no wo hu
ye wo mda bi kura wo ho a obi ye boni wo ho a na o fe citizen arrest
citizen arrest
no boni na ekoso na no utumi kire no e wo mdam enti obi ye boni ni wani tua e ho na no akire no enti nka we no wo hwe boda igunsu emu ya engrofo hu ye no ma kire no na nso aja ye ebi abeko kire ni no kofa dia bo tirimu a ene wo mutwa ne ayi no ayi mfoni no
na say the social media say unim social media abefo na ayi ne na anu mi bi ma we social media say ma bi Facebook no bi ama WhatsApp no de na bi wo so dada na ayi honom no na say abantu twa bibia video no a wo phone no ma kire o say na esi 20 say unam na hu say wo bi ye bibi na nya no watwa na de atoso kakran be chi o mo na anu say yes assembly fo so mo ye bibi league table assembly we first ne ne ware wo mo are ye ne fin ne mo mo we ye efin wo fadu enti no say sempanimfo be ye ni say ya de a ebeboa tu do na matwitwa bibra na me no mienu ye nye campaign fa ho
ekuyai
ofa
na no ada me betina kan say nkoko ayi posifo ko ayi tiefigu ayi mu bokiti mu no na no adamate se asamere no o ma de aso akobɔ fom so mbesi ye kan ye no
papa mu no e papa mu no
to mo de aso abɔ fom
se wo yi journalist kese pa
no se me ma no training me bibia me hu bia meka
se nka keke wo de twabra
me
twabra na ye mie wo fa du page no nti ne anya ne de ato ho why
me frɛ me ba no frɛ me no hello mo radio so
Eyeko why? Wo de kwa na ko receive call
no radio so kra no afre
abusuan wo fa du ni ate ne no sa bre ya ne course no ahya ase e bande mami nya no wo nko na ni wo fa du
kuya enti na maka no na de mama bre wo na me ko hospital mama me doctor ya ko hwe me na me ho mfa me nti me koma ba me ba yidi man timi amfa bibi ama
nti na won sapan
na wo suo ni to
ma jeje ho ama asa no nka so kita bibi o
no wo suo ni to pa wo suo ni to wo yikuru mu ho pa nya sam ketwa na ku ai nti wo suo to no na America krani enkran wo suo ni to yo nti banifo no o ma ye bibi na so kase ba beto no na bibi foforo sanabo
sa bola ho ayida ubo a wahya ase ya no eno no ye yifiri mu a ebe masuo no to ane mamu adwo kakranti ye ya na me na wase wo fadu nyame nhira wo papa wa ya de
aban no so mfa ne man sisi kurom aban no wo mfa ne man sisi kurom ayi no bokiti sisi kurom mo fa ne so brofum obi ye bibia no de atum mo fa ne sai
ayi that's been
move za bokiti ni bi nzizi mantwia obi kura bibia no de atum ezanze onum ayi asota na to wanya bibia mfantuma wode beto form
no kwasem
nti akuya e ko nyame adum e besanhia
jo fa
ene na bye bye me ba ne frame no kwa ko me ba mo radio so
uzian wo fa du ni ate ne nka no ya nyina firima ene obeye call no radio no so abusuan ho aseda yemfa ma keba monument ene Vodafone penimfo a bocha yachi e ma ye di kukrantwumi dwumadie ebrew enwuma yi ebo yachi dom se yema mu hu wadwuma paso abo ye efse keba monument de se ye ka keba monument adwuma eye no adwuma eye no se waposo ena ye wo yi a mesi minti ewo mu no wo bie so na ebi fa wo so a sekata akora na ache wa ebekọ na wodi twitwi waposo no dia ebo saa wodi anwumre eduru sa wo beda no a na ade bie twitwi mese matrai wo se wa nkasa po pese wo da na ho dwo fom a fa bi srasra saa wo ben se ebo saa nkakran no wada fom keba monument na eba dwuma so a eye dia ene bebre oti ebusia ene bomodin kebam no yusubi na emwa papa bone wuye bia emu Vodafone so se ebankita hudie mu dia onuma ene namu a wode boa ma niema atumi akoso yenkofra mantemu na NDC amanwekuo no youth organizer yo wo hono Matthias Alagbo yene no entwetwe enkomo Matthias dodo na afre ne Kabila de na nka minu abema na ebia pie fra mantemu no Erade yento aso na ene de udi kwaku achi a menko ahomaso Kabila, good morning.
Good morning.
Minu abema boko de
God's grace, we are fine.
Yede nyame ase enkakra limited registration no the same penimfo guso ene press conference NDC form be ya afa ho no na watwi maye ama mu general secretary de ode atudwa ne se be kra nke en suspend voter region niema mu te se mo charge amode ba no pay ne sen.
The limited registration exercise began as expected, and the challenges we face here first was a lack of internet connectivity at the places designated for the exercise. And because of that, the EC will have to eat the hammer pie to resort to the remote or the offline mode. What is rather of concern to us is the power outage across the region that lasted for 48 hours without explanation. So this made it very difficult for the registration to take place smoothly. Another challenge we are encountering almost everywhere is the deliberate attempt of the government and their agents to ensure voter suppression. This they are doing by challenging virtually every individual who turn up at the stations to register. They use intimidation and harassment to prevent young adults who attain the age of 18 not to register, because just by the look on their face, they could ascertain that they were not at the age of 18. And also, there are individuals they challenge wrongly on the basis that they don't know them in a municipality like Ho and other big towns, so they cannot register. These are some of the frustrations that we have to go through on a daily basis, and we think it's quite unfortunate, and the MPP should desist from doing so.
Near walking minim say your challenge form say wo hono mo ya se ba se obi nru 18. If you look at the person's face na who ne say bia nipa we onru 18 a challenge form no na wo be fele na electoral commission penifo akire omo hwehwe mu ne wo so omo ye fa mo ma ya fa mo. So when you say MPP for prevent some people from registering no omo register na say omo challenge omo with say ye fill forms na akire ya hwehwe mu ya prevent you obi nipa dodo be say na prevent you say nipa we mu de ya mo and register bi.
It's countless. It's countless. For instance, yes, it is instances where our people stand their ground that they do allow them to register, but they do not fail to file the appeal form against those registrants. I can recount a situation at Sokode Septec when students who attain the age of 18 actually went to a nearby registration center, and because our agents were not like many, the agents actually used intimidation to actually prevent an outright denial of registration. It is when we got wind of that we deploy our people there, spoke to the EC officials before the MPP agents were compelled to stop to actually allow those people to register and then give them the opportunity to file the appeal form against them. This is widespread, so we cannot even give numbers. It's a deliberate thing. They have targeted the voter region to be specific, and we don't think it will augur well for our democracy, because nobody even know who those registering today will vote for in 2020. So to actually target just anybody in the region, irrespective of his or political affiliation, we thought is a bit backward. And we are encouraging the MPP to desist. And also, if you go to the registration centers, it's as if the MPP agents are part of the EC officials. They actually sit on the same table, very close to the registration materials, and actually take over questioning of prospective registrants.
Kabila.
And we thought that was not right.
Kabila.
Yes.
More NDC for money agents wo hono mo.
We do, but we are more or less observing the strict regulations.
Because from Kabila, from near walking, say electoral commission for no ya said that training officers or more year jumano, and I near all person can say NPP for no, and I take charge a year jumano questioning nibi bia crano or multi electoral commission penny for ninche. I fax you say Nipano I will say ya prevent you or mupo from registering or mutu do I saying was uncountable. Wouldn't you mean Kase bia Sokode and I said baby I will bono a hanipa say so who be charge. Who person ye case say ni omudi ye ni uni facts uni wasemo a wo can say nipa say ya prevent your more, and you are just who can go.
Well, you are talking about, you're asking me to provide statistics. And I'm saying that currently my role as I play as a regional youth organizer is to liaise with all my youth organizers across the country, and the challenges they're reporting to me is what I'm conveying to you. I'm not able to provide you an exact number per police station because I am telling you that the challenge has to do virtually with everyone. And I can tell you that there are hundreds of challenge forms filed by the MPP against all the people who are registered, especially those that are quite young, around the borderline. So I cannot provide you exact data right now, but in the course of today, I can provide some numbers to it. But I'm trying to assure you that it is widespread, and there's no need to engage in confrontation with MPP people. They should just see the reason to allow people to register. The intimidation and harassment will not help anybody.
So far, my report to Pennyfo be electoral commission Pennyfo a voter region. No, are they aware of such challenges here? We can watch them. No,
constantly, the election director of the NDC in the voter region has been in touch with the regional director, and I must commend the regional director of EC that in most of the instances he steps in to provide a solution.
Okay, Kabila mamina wasena memfa wo ensia say ye ne mpanimfo e wo hono betwetwe nkomo na ya hwe sa challenges ya wo kan ne mpanimfo be ya afa ho.
Thank you very much.
Abusia nipa yeti ni DNDC amanyoko voter region youth organizer Matthias Alagbo ya dodo na friend Kabila na wo che mu say MPP4 intimidate wo hono mo che say registration na e wo so okoye no utie ne nsem na wo kan bia wo se nipa dodo no ma prevent you from registering ya mu onu mu an register e wo voter region hono especially omo a say nipa susu say obi wo hono mo a bia 18 no onu ye bedi nsem no achi Nienti a MPP4 wo voter region so prevent say nipa yi from voting. If you say me ni say adwuma no a ekoso no political parties na adwuma no electoral commission penimfo na adwuma no na o ma kire kwan so asebon unhu say nipa we onuru say wo register ye wo kwan a betumi afa so abe say adwuma no eti say ye beka say MPP4 na take charge and no more prevent nipa from registering. Was here corner ye share MPP4 no so say someone ekosue wotumi ni say dear so and we jan electoral commission penimfo no so no what one more we say MPP4 beje wadwuma ya na emu ensem abusua ye bekona ya toa so na yenko oti region so Ochi region Suleiman na ene wo ho no mo enso NDC youth organizer ya owo ho ye ne Suleiman entwetwe nkomo na ye nhwe ho so etisen Suleiman morning
good morning over bom to say
adom na so
na me chiminti na ye ho ye
within Suleiman no de na ka ho
Suleiman na Abdul Mumuni medase na yeba Ochi region na wotwe yakwa akogu yetie wabra mpanimfo hyase with the limited registration free juada no electoral commission mpanimfo si o niema nyina akoso boko report so the NDC fo emu di biaba e free ahafo eba voter region yenhwe Ochi region de etesen yo menu aba medase nyakonya kase a ode amaye mechia wetie fo nyina so say registration exercise before say be hyase me you raise so many concerns na sebi registration ni indicate yen say na ye kan aye no correct me more specifically so of Cochrane West constituency day 1 up to 4 o'clock na nipa ba kokra ye register all online no so me ye adwuma kakra ye offline no na se o kan nyina bomu a me free krache me ba KJB me free KJB enra ene nyina me won kwanta saf chese o hwese ni registration e kono a ni pato do na e be deny ni omo so mo din betimi akọ register no enti media ye kan se electoral commission no be BP app e was a machine fi a ye use so a e was so mo ye ho adwuma se ente san so de a na chese days na omo de ma ye no enya bi a in total terms no 50% credit me and yet with their target or more crowded by no.
Metiwasia na chese niem penimfo kan ye sɛ wɔde mfidie bɛyɛ adwuma na ɛno wɔde ayɛ registration ɛmo hɔ deɛ ntumi nyɛ adwuma koraa gye sɛ offline no
enye ye ho nko amenu ba say report a ye pick from all over say dwumadie na nkasa enkoso yi because online no kra ye dwuma sebi ye be register ni ba ko wie say line no call off mo ntwen kakra say enoa be consultancy ni bi ho baby e wo say ye de even online kra ye dwuma no esan say nye dwuma kra no ye offline na ye dwuma enti enema bebre na ntisi enro say nipa say around 430 na nipa more than 150 our line mu up and call 5-6 no na you intimi register nipa more than even 20 out of the number making some corporation free the district capital almost free mia neighbor the question is nipa no okwa obetan ba so one comes to hefa na order e na wodi there so many challenges na higher maybe sebi me mpesa me de so bo be boss ebia MPP for na sha afia ye ne me de minim ni say electoral commission as a body no system o me de to kwan mu no enye ne papam ente ye mienu I de so mbe beef up the system no mana ye adwuma na aka ye nim no announce the say na be ko ne de a o me de ennabi ebeka ho se ne be ya amanfo a o mo wa akiri no obi abetimi atro ne din akọ register no
na saa nsɛm yi a mo ka no mo ne mpanimfo a mo ne wo yɛ adwuma wɔ hɔ no atwetwe ho nkɔmɔ
ye no mo atwetwe ho nkɔmɔ me nuaba unim sɛ electoral commission entimi nya adwuma isolated without the political parties ye no mo ekasa ye no mo twetwe nkɔmɔ wotimi hu sɛ some of them so are very worried about the system send the system no ACA no some of them are worried and some of them they omo mfa ho either say adwuma no cost of papa mu and say him call the papa me mfa ho because at the end of the day the taxpayers money e be tue nipa neka nti ono mfa no ho but one or two of them no oni omo kasa wotimi say omo so very worried the way na niema aircon no omo so omo ani enye
mo hono de mu nhia bibi se ebi a nipa ekọ register na ye prevent omo from registering e bibi sa nko so o oti region ho wa hu
so far we've constituencies ma call round so any report or my dear free me constituency youth organizers no there start challenge ni die e bin share down court so enra say na nkwanta saf memfa say NDC ni ma pa minim no ni nua pani kura de nipa bi ba yam say ono ankasan kan so akwala ide next year no bit my register enti one sanko fie they say the be competition between NDC and MPP or more check on the any de me nyanhu bi bisa challenges nke to baby there then so enya de no na ye hindrance and say akoye consider ama registration enkoso papa daddy
yo ma ye na wase efise wo voter region de wunia organizer wo ho no mo che se MPP fo no mpese mo nipa bi beto aba no enti wo mo prevent wo mo nti so chi region nti sa de a menua me na wase na
no kro sa voter region asem yi de yin na monitor na yate
na sa wuni ho ne wuni ya ka na de bi toto wuni ho
na me ka no menua anya kan de no kro bi community me ya we
wuni anya ka de wuni anya ka de hu ye kro ye no kro oti so wuni aka nti ye no kro
na me ka so me immediate pass deputy voter regional youth organizer nti nya bi a minni enumdi a na se dia society min ka ho me immediate pass voter regional deputy youth organizer nti I know what is happening even though me here or regional youth organizer no me monitor also me ni ekoso me frɛ me hwɛ ne ekoso nti ne me nyan kan na no korɛ sɛ me woti region ne minim na maka no anase ne mehu na maka no me mfa false allegation me mfa nkoto MPP ni bi say or prevent you bi say mo bin vote they encourage start there be enter them challenges na ankasa no ejin electoral commission ne omo man chief no so
that's it
yes me that's ni
abushi oti region ede na yate no eye Suleiman Muniru Abdallah na yate ne nka no mumuni mum wotwira no watwire yi mumuni na ya tenen kafi oti region no eti abusua ya de betwa so na ya reporters so oti region ti so wonum so afamu a ye bebo modern ne no watwetwe nkomo ne ahwe ne akoso na abotwe nyina oti region voter region sen na eniema esi ekoye ewo honomo ebise electoral commission penny for na no dwada ene me ame ne wo twetwe nkomo musio ye kura ye nwanwa se nipa dodo no ahya ase epese wo onum ekokotwere wodin na Ghana de ade ne ba se nipa behuru ho a enti ye gidi se ebedru time ade no beba wieye no na o ya wie kura enso se wuti ato getting to a week ni nipa no da so ko nipa na ye eager say ye pese ye twero ye din ni ye din bam bi eti se ko ba se ye machines ene niema akade e wo se boabo na wonya na chese yasem efi se o mayi mra no kire nipa waye na adwen se wo beto aba no woni hu kwan se wo prevent no se wo register so okoto aba no enwo so prevent no ti se electoral commission for na eye bibia ebesi nipa kwan from registering na se eniema ntwaye abusuan yeguso kukura ntumi dwumadie ni on Asempa 94.7 FM so na yeguso ya yede ebremo no.
The land is good, the land is fine. Gold we have, diamonds we mine. Yet we fight, we covered it all in blood. Tell me why we wallow in the...
Abusia non so aba paunsima aduonumu enna yeguso ewo limited registration exercise ya ekoso Ghana fa na nyina da ene ewo awadi 18 years ya wo ji wo hudi se wadwen mu da ho jese kona kwatwere wudi emu adwuma na yeguso ayeye na wotwi so beto odwasa asante mantemu ene ndisi amanyoko no mpanimfo bi ye wo ho no mo se wabodua se ye dintwere aye twere se wobi atwero din nipa bi din wa abere nwo se ni din komu eni abato ye beto nu obewiem se ye MPP se ye electoral commission eni wabodua dendenden ewo hɔ no mo ye kwa ahoma so na ye ne ye MPP amanyoko no twotwofo ema won wa Asante Mantemu eni over sampan ewo ahoma no so over morning. Hello abusia yeguso se yensa ebeka sampan na yene no atoaso afri eye Asante Mantemu ndisi amanyoko no empanimfo ya abonumu akobodua dintwero no aye twero no ho keke ene wonumu akobodua ese wo abewie mu wo ade nipa bi befra wo abede ene ye chese Antoine wonumu ede abodua of amoni o
good morning
boko de
Damena dum mpaye.
Na wo kumase ana wo nkran.
No kumase.
Mo wo kumase de ye. Na watwi wa bra na aduabo no koso no na wo hefa wate send this amanyoko no nipa won bia kobodua se edintwero no aye twero no se din bi komu ensese komu se MPP amanyoko na mbabuo se ye electoral commission antoa ye de abobo obodua.
Me da twincha wono ati for na edwade amutu yama o my God. Dwada omugo bia no dwada bra na me wahana me monitoring na kwame asafo je ye communication director ne baako wo mo ekosiche kaka mutu bi ko buru bia ni na no na me waha ba Ghana be bia ye dia ma yafam ne for no eto de bia
over
yeah
over sampan wosi nu omo shekaka motobi
na hu so mo di yi ko mo twitwa ne ma bi akatakata o mo ni
okay nu obi o shekaka motobi no asafo aje tintin na ade hu sa asafo aje wo tiati wono ana
ko bo di ni nyina ye ni mo bia o
wosi wo shekaka motobi nti ede na hu se yi ka hu asafo aje ka hu wofa
see Yakubu Tony Eduni asafo aje ni Lucy no na se for ma kobo bia ni enimo bia
oya den na hu say yomo
ona mi onni se ameka say so bi ma mo bi no bi tinje not me kasa kura no tini sa so ti na kasa ekuya mi nyase me hunfo ni asana mi tu kasa anasa wonna mtumu a me hu say wona wo no we know them but that is not the matter and look at the me family One right on Bay, the Omopidia said, Yasu, right to obey. But one said, but the idea of politics and no aircraft. We are getting into the realm of absurdity. Say, acquires a group B and now concept B. Political parties saying this. When in Ghana Mrapong, as she share a dear friend CI 91. So CI 91, and no natural registration, no one near Meginara. Some renum, I try to say, Ghana never Piana, what didn't feel do what she call. Nana didn't Mudaho. Let's of fact actually being no. I was say a Kenyan Eba, now truly being a call about Ghana. And now, come answer such a say. So, what's to say, Obi and qualify for better bar. You will find your dinner faso. A quiet faso, they say, you find a register, not one friend, a dear friend, no challenge, who bet challenge, you know, say, I didn't Tina, any so deep woman. Would be a call woman. It is a challenge that constitution only and one number. That's a woman find Juma. Never could never be the 7 this modern world. Some are could change that. Abrudia. A child the type of persons are one year. No wonder so more charm of a type of assembly broken cano. The tape no sooner. A big and one put into play. They were my gender, you know, said. The domain may be about compromising the position of the electoral committee. And when the channel, Marcus said, Mom could be yellow. One more, a bit question, or make one round, no, make one sentence, no, me, I won't buy up, or me, ya challenge you, woman. It is a woman who could put me out. Say, now one will fetch it and grab a woman who could show me away. That's a woman who could be in the challenge or more. It tells you, say, it's a catch out, say, woman Catano, woman to chew up a woman.
Wafana sani wo kasa baby ya manyo semwe dreno chese eniema gin semwe nkoye no eduabo ya bo politics mu de se nye ne edika ni ohine jekum meba ohine jekum
nka say baby ya manyo semne dreno eniema gin semwo baby we just suye ebi mu gin edi
na sui no was no wafa
from 1992 improvement kese abam but based on the improvement at Bambono, and can get this time and the past we said this, we bet we Gaya to call Aqua Fashion up Linkusia, Aqua Regional Party Office. That's my crying no more. Them you say now what you couldn't be you on the floor.
Yatisa won't move from Wapa Nyabutre, Yatis won't move from National. Send your walk casa, dear no, and one will be no, or Hinajakum dear or Abronya dear Yabon, so yet to a Benum or boy, yaw, and send your casa, I young and one way no. Say, Yaduma Moyada.
And now no buy another mango diati. Mango apra mua one on me. Obian in set mayari. And at that chia, what better mango diati, which were better mango diati. Akofa and kana mango apra mua one me diari and say wood. And not a dear what that dinner no, I would say yard for near the year no. That's a mitratu yana. That is the question.
Asempa FM.
That is the question. Adia Chandiaba. Yes, that's an excellent to see a twapano. What Ataka Ugumu, a twabagumo. Yes, the good system for and now we know can say, Yan shares one and you can't get me a twaba. Yan shares that you Ghana, you bet me a call. Digital, said the American as if we are what you studio, no one said, we do phone and of the craft of Pasibiano, would be a to about one conquer line, and my service said this, a better piece in a better to no other form. And that is how we are taking our democratic process. It's in it, you're so short answers, the none of the seen as they condemn, and then we shouldn't glorify that.
Enti MPP for near o maka no mo ankasa de munsuro efi se mudin wom se munnim na mo try se mo de nkwala na se bibi bekomu a ene anto ankumu mo so mo ka ho wo na adi ani mu
yeah sama yan training yan agent so omudo emrani ye no ma ye adwuma ni ye no na ndisi nam ene electoral committee twimanso no mo nam ta baton ebi twanka wo nko if they are not prepared yan kwatwin mofra enko especially when you nim say with the akofra kwa bit na challenges and I say one of the laws so no actually that if you get involved in electoral malpractices biana it make show di mana you di mana you ban for a certain number of years which mean a part of the processes of the election.
Ma offer me near share ni munisa asumwie bebanti asante mantamu de bibia adwo why you monitoring and say bibia adwo if say wuti other areas no musi o ene ma e slow and hwege nipa bebre kura me buy my 4 rounds and me come rounds ya but nyama me especially be dia o online registration you know na system no e slow you need letter commission account once baby over you use offline registration and only the income baby over especially baby rotating no say you ko handa you ko hano you ko baby sample so e wo fin so South constituency the adu no na e trodi wo ho na e keta for about facha me e keta for about 8 communities na nipa na bottom pin ho no elam sentino I made the telephone call. I catch a regional director of electoral commission. So the business cost some more extra machines. One moon deploy and was at the be and the panel door. And then many information and the payer the free have make cost a juice for instance. Nipano a walk on a door so machines no is subma want to be become one come the pay. San or boating so not machine back home and a near day of boating is of boating west. That your boating population and it's when you know your name be a neck. But apart from that, send to Quasem, say, 10 years, Basa dear, Ubasa, Bemuha, apart from an Ingrassi name, Grassam and Bokoye, at MBNC. Yo, over Major one more answer na bekono ye kasa ya Franco Semensa NDC Asante Mantem communication member NDC no watch say enya de se wonu mu chese nya NDC fo na ekoye sa de so mu nimo mumpo etu de gina so ma me na me ne Frankie entwetwe enkomo councilor da ba ko yo wo Asante Mantem eja Frank morning.
Good morning.
Mpacho boko de.
Onyame adom.
Yo, na watwi asem we beto odwa se NDC amanyoko no mu nipa bi e wa Asante Mantem abodua se ye MPP for se ye electoral commission ni obege na dwen se di ntwiro no wo be manwiamu abam ye de nkwala abefra antoanku won eno na ye twetwe ho nkomo anopa yi a Sampan secretary ma MPP po kiremu se wo omukura de ni no omote ye no nu se obetumi aka se asafo age ewom enimu panimfo ni bi wom ena ya tse so se da bi chese nya NDC fompo eja
yo dedinka na mamencha watiefo na mencha NDC for na Sampan yo ne no kase so we introduce that topic who can be say NDC and pending for dedinka correction of representative and say NDC pending for and a koye sabe. That is the first point. And at the Tossing, I am the chairman of the Ashanti Regional Council of Elders.
Asempa FM.
I'm a communication officer. Just a member of the regional council. I hold the position of Ashanti Regional Chairman, the first Ashanti Regional Chairman from 1992. And the parties, they are controversial in all our political history. Now, the TN say, in fact, we say a year NDC for being a quiet saga. Media craft is a mere minoka say, near a penny in Presby Church, near Presbyter. Me no, no say, ye did be a bonum Nifania Manona, a bit too animal. No, me so Sania Manasu. Am I even crown one of the region, I think they are regional organizer. Ekasawo in Asempa FM. Emane can say party no penny for no woman and the sponsor side the woman more she maybe a party phobia or more party more woman GDA and the star GDA no and maybe on the side. Now me uni a champagne cafe. I will say what the bad fry and penny for as the daily critique your party no and penny for say your party no said that what is the type of people in your money. Look, money cousin will tell one Kasani regional chairman, one Ashanti region NDC regional chairman in your banter on radio about Sir Abasi and one sense whether was NDC and as NDP. On one regional chairman original radio show, a France was in a Mabutia, original radio show. We cried the news of original. I know there's no online. And you're more anyway. And ultimately, I don't be anyone needs to also. Meaning, so what they are saying, and yet, they may many is animal. And the minister without decoration, and yet, and it is company for any sponsor side and another movie. No, not at all.
But from near Watson, Jamans, and from near Watson, no nature say a member Sibia or Mujidie or Muwajidie was near my yenumu.
That is what I'm saying. That's I offers a shop. Yeah, already the regional organizer. No. I don't know what kind of ma maybe tea. Me say na me wakra that day. Me wakra. This am no kase kwa me wakra. So just here. And the name bi won me e cost na ya. Quickly no mama masoti say dia e cost ni. Na me my friend very born na my me no be two omofo. Enema eye e na sasa me kire won so omo ye. Say chairman no or bibia o consult me. Bibi o tutu papa e na say ye de ma o. And you say, you counsel say, one way and Yema and Debbie, we won't do that.
Natural from near walking, no money members, no, as of where they come home.
We don't know them. And as of Jesus, he's one of my boys. And yet, yes, I will give up for your idea. And he's our no, I used to some fine cutters out for the car. All sorts of people, and lies on him. There's over church and now for the Johanna, yes.
Internet as NDC amanyo kwenda montan yesinechi.
Empanyin for no actually sir. They said the woman one chairman kazanka tibija radio super biana. Ye empanyin for le yes sir. We won't do it.
Yo.
And I mean my dika cut yourself here presbyter. And ya dia men e sanya manema me maso so just here. Uba in also district. Me presbyter.
Enti sane mate se boys na bia na omuwo muwe no eja wo behwehwe mu na mapɛ woni yes adwuma no na se mu nta akire no sa asotwe bia mo de ama woni ana efise isuma nkwa hene hwehwe won.
Oh yes sir, me no me na me kasa me wakra se me kokumasia nya me bua na me kokumasia ya bia me so me hwehwe mu na se bibi won ma se ye ka kire mrante na ye be ka kire won because anema no enya de a ehunhia and yet, as I say, a foot to you on my see a demo. Well, sign my name. Nothing yet, yet to say, you are blowing them. Yes, sign my name. Sign my name, but and yet, made a minute, means support to be on his own way. I won't do it.
You offer some pine. Me jiri say what ye near a German sack and nature say, so won I will say, a banty can one. Wo kwahwehwe no abasa fuaje eso also omo de omo ni mobia
women me ofa France me tema NDC na enya kono wasan me mu omo gina mu respect pa dan we no bia but that for my sister you be end up the propaganda from ko twitwi mai apia no bia beke when there so ya di wo pa na me say on kwaji people no na on hwe ebinum kata omani mo there are no things that minimum more people were there people know those two parts in it don't kwaji no yet I mean me can to be man san me bia my say there ye bia man to na kodu no ye twem san ye ma no before e brano ya hiham no my Ghana no e wo ho se obi ye ba ku mienu ye san say ye so ye no then ye dia about abani say your me sometime be sure dia for one bit because the big deal will change me near effect on so but again the cool to that level 21st century and then meeting at this Skype didn't come up to Afghanistan no one didn't come that is my it is waka on the meeting in himself there as the chairman of the council of elders, Ombra, not the man, and remember one that prayer and on Casancho, to my clients to be from who's the Mombeka.
You, of a mere now, I say, young Fonsiana, ye namas penny for.
It's me that.
Abusian penning for me, Nunia, no attraction, Comma Santa Mantem, MPP, and Manukuno, Chocho for Emma, a year Sampine, and Yatin and Casada, so, and a chairman, your da council of elders, and no, Ewa Santa Mantem, and this Yamanukunu, Ura Franco say, Mensa so, Yanino attraction, and Como Afa, and Semi, and Mo. Yeguso, limited registration, Moon Samoa, and a wash and Samoa air cosona, and che, baby, Manuatum, na baby, I will be ano, what drink, which me, Eddie Abedmedino, so higher Asempa 94.7 FM so yeshumi live on Facebook unti adwenkyere no ubetumi edibi afa honomo na yakenkan ede amaw Hassan bin Abdullah oh mi aminu abema pa na ne watwere we pa de agu Facebook no debi manyesa we mekanya enyeye isa yuma de ya bode aba eni ose bi wa mehwe free London na yebebo mabaso ewo kwasi memenda no pa bia bo amoboa emiye hu ne ekoso ewo man no emu na mbese mbise o ede enti na NDC amanyoko no wonu su te sa kwada bi chese ade bi ebeye wo Ghana bia no ese wo dede ya wo beye wo ho etoda na ensem ni bi enwanwa pa vise ne wo kan limited registration minim say ye wo bi a ye twere nanim se bi a we ye MPP we ye NDC a wo mo bretinti wo mo de abetena so wo my Ghana mu no bibia ekoso ma Ghana for tena mu nada mo de chese mako opposition a bibia mo wo ho asem ka Ghana for ye abrewom nana boache so de ye ode aba wo se bi wa Ghana for reject NDC amanyoko ne vise problem pa Ghana ye bo ye NDC amanyoko no abusia ye bie homa no atum free sabi ko betumi afre na de wadwenche abadwumadi no eso homa ede ye adwuma no eye 0302 216564 anase 0302 216545 0302 216546 which me afrena ne adwenche no ode aba ama yasomu ede amaw na Hassan nepa de mia be meja wa na yi me ode aba bia no chese David Omaye de ye ode aba eni wo say ABY WhatsApp line no yo WhatsApp line no ye 05463822287 05463822287 and ye adwenche na betumi edibi afa hono hello
Tabajoa
minia majesty boko na muso
na nado ye
da Yesu ase to asoma yen
Tabajoa before the commercial so me ka say last 2 weeks, last 3 weeks. The catch us say, I want to for the Nebagger and obey the birthday or could do a landing. Now, ye two months ago. What's a mechanic? This time around, young sir, papa, Fred Blay.
Me pacho majesty me niam for birthday ho asemo I say kwanya me say topic I be cancel because kwanya obi be fa so obedi ni birthday there me ni ho asema me discuss me say wada
em de pass o tentene me na kan ne ko obeti pa but ba me come asem so e ba so a de dem ka say Sam George you be tunu na ekwan bia e be fa you be tunu na come asem so de ba so a from 1992 Temha your first MP no na ye Garis Watson or your NDC and come be quite him say NDC kwapono ya parliament wada followed by Ibrahim Oseidu and now followed by Natoshi Dajwa nipa kwa matema yenya problem pa tema atisa pansampa Natoshi bikamta dintia je watema say and also be see hospital and now the signboard ebesi Sakmono 8 good years which me see chief compan kwafa maye eti obi ya kabo obi kabo moto Sakmono road ni so police ni o naka hospital ni wa aka police ni anko wo be september posto adiba kwa all ya wait men wie so ye much ni so a wait men wie and all city tema anapa ewia anapa ewia tama no bi ade o
Asempa FM
ya edisi ba ye nya bro tama ase nu obetiti ya ye ma wonto
yɛda se majesty yɛmfa foforo ento so hello hello abusia yɛnkwa homa so emra mesa ba no ma be fa frefo no na asafo agesi ni din apie mu eti sabri ya make say yɛkɔ na yɛne asafo agi atwa so hello
hello good morning
mini abema na enahi na ado space no aduro
me wo sister station in Chai FM na me na report
mo adwuma no ana yes sampai
me mabodia
na duabo no se na wo so nam ka se wo nsuro hwio na be bibia no wakata wanim se wa hye ka motobi ukobodua
everywhere
oh
uni mi yi pa se me kata manim a na me gina wa wo ebi wa betimi a chese asafo edimi e na makasa wo platform yi so bebre nti wo teme voice a obeti yen kan okwa ni fa amanyo se mo ntonchen utie voice na ewodua omo bodua ni mo a ebi wa kan okro wo yen sentroni e ye me voice a me no de kase eno na wo tie odua bonim you have the audio
me sampanya kan na gisa me san ko tie bio na ma analyze voice ni ye efisa me de me tie ye no na madwen ko ho nhwehwe asafo age ti me san ko tie
I'm a regional executive obi enu wa sanction say party no Asante region NDC ye kobodua but a group bi omo NDC ni mu a omo believe eya abosomson ena omo do omo asema akoto na nanu manim na se be wo ye koto na e party yare aduru a ofa ho ben di asem na sti awo se chejama sti afa atumpan na da bia ya burumu a wo se MPP for no kodi bone aduabo wo ya moje ginam a mo ye unfounded allegations be mini aba efiefa
na chesa asafo age munimon se wo ye NDC members na o makobodua no
and it is not in doubt. I end this for be more. Other year no, your party and Casa per Christo for one and Cremo for one. Abosum soon for soon. It's your Asempa, now your registration be saying that because over there. So this will say, Asem the Cotton and Animal Bosom for some of them the Bebuana. Obey all that liberty, no, because yeah, discriminated based on religion. Obey Papa, yes, I
oh if you say na mo chairman odamo council of elders ano eja osemensa se ni akoso no ne bonyo so enti wo bakuma se wo mbehwehwemu wo muhu mantie no a na chese ehwehwemu ne ne wo ho bia na o maka enti se wunni momu idi ya ne anya bere kroba ya na wabo ano
ebiwa asema me kan ni say the fact of MPP for it is not NDC for it is not in doubt. Because to be NDC near only mean kofa kroma on kofa NDC colors and do things but the point must also be made. This is not the first time crowd you abu say yakoso. Why uni abema bronya one is boy Charlotte Xavier. Bantima party office. Bantima party office. Etina bantima hene na him fie ho pe. I na omo kofa amami enu bi be gina ho friends and trophy bo dia 2016 abato no. Na MPP for Sampa that time no way. Enti dia na asesa.
Na chesa wudi abono chechire wonu mo.
Mimi mom de mitie asem no mo de ato abosonfo ne nsamafo na nima ebiwai. Efi bia ni hu kire se. CI no a. Me mami Jane Mensa ne boss man asare dia base emfanya aduma. E wo mu se uni date a encontrol din. E na wo ye issue official wo so ye nutra. Enti so ma for CI no because o ma wo se Jane Mensa no papa boss man asare nya na adwo so de be ye aduma. No mo de akoto na nanu abosonfo ne nsamafo ni mo sunsun mu so o mo hwe CI ni. No bi obebusu bi amon friend sunsun mu atem bibia efi ba na won eduai
o nsombo somso obi body a wugitum
o say Ghana ya be di no kra eduai on dey say na yewura Kristo mu and ye na e ba ya abosomsom na ye de kekere o man Ghana ana meboa eno ne ye be to ye ene ye de start Ghana ansa na Kristo so mbroni de ba enti no e ya ade a e wo ho even Bible mu kura wom akokora tipa so o do men kola no enti ya ade a ewom Bible kura no ye bodua ne ade a ni na ewom just say enoma bi nti na esi duabo nya de papa because ekum nipa na nipa so mpe no kre na utie me say me ko school aye tre me twi no ye define duabo say eye nsemfu akuma di a e ma no kre da di na etwa asem tintin so tiawa
o kwasem asafo ejei o de ko to aso na ne no me kotie sa metine ya one no amesa aba ho wai
I mati ebiwai
emmo asafo agye na ne we define duabo no eti ese unipa krope duabo ne nkyerase eti asafo agye de definition no aba obetumi afa na wahu se duabo no ya na asanya eti eguso abusuan frefo no a etwatia no ubetumi afre o de fafam na adwuma no asa na ye no etimi twafa ba bia na ye de koye nim sa Asempa 94.7 FM kukrantwumi dwumadie so enie sabi ya make say enche ye bekọ ne ne mpanimfo so asi adwa esa make say no kasamafo ma aso ye hwebo mayi addition mu nsem so eko Vincent Asefua Edufia. Hello minia. Oh,
hello.
Oh, Mr. Oma, wa fidie no nkọ fom na asa wa fidie no.
Yeah.
To asomayen.
Yo, Mr. Korte die.
Mr. Korte to asomayen.
Yo, me da ko na me shira o ni ejmaka ho ye. Sir, ma pe me chia His Excellency John Dramani Mahama on the Ghana free atro ni idada aban enwe ensem. Enne o ma to like go so. Catch Mammy the immense affair. Sir, on one person instead another fairly. It is take a gun for a quack to a bet piano. Into your Basakwe Bisso, where you are mamma and another dear, and the catcher say, or that dano. Shall call Mammy way, and Eddie Yisi, a do me quick air faso. Sir, Charlotte Mesa, and yet did you say? Isu shaka didia epipi for edi no ewo Ghana ha. Nsaba bukatia no ehu fata sebe to aka wo radio so. Na so twa na mami we eye. Epipi are defending it and justifying it. Na me debia because epipi for nya tumde. This is Nyankopon kwa ni betu ehu epipi for bobo. Owo nya tuma epipi for eke.
Yeah, that's it. Mr. Korte wo de ya wo de aba. Hello. Hello. Nyame atom na so e.
Otu yaji nyime na kupona dawo ma. Wo de papa.
Yo.
Oye wu na ma shi education yi. Kwa si bi wo hia ni edware. Na me shi nya bi shaba ye djuma pa mo ye de boye mai Ghana. Ma me fa kwanya si nya kupon shi fa ma Ghana ma mpanyina ne. Ghana fo nyina shi ni obeko di students abutewura na adodan kwa akufado abudani. Ena kufinti ji arzaji mapao mubwa na kupon ko mukado konkurma ena na to ata local government service ejo mu body bwa kwati ma na kupon ko mumpa ni aba o se ni amema e ko Vincent mapa o mabo juma papa ya kupon shano ni mapa o mabo because ni aba o se education se ni ko ni double track me ni ho ke ni kwa profession je schools na o mu sisi o mu ja wura me ni adina no o mu computer wi ma nkra ko ma na o mabo juma papa we che say 2020 MPP aban be to so ni zo me to no mo nkasa me na America ni yeni we eno mama ni mapa o yenko ti nkra sie yenko gum nipa yenko di we eno mo wa je mesa o ye na adwuma mi nim sani de fone sanoto say kwa pambi edi boni be na Ghana fo ni mpi na ye wo say ye mesa bi di e tio mu dia ni nim kansa fo yenko ma o ni di wo isi en voice ayi na nim wo kasa ye nim ti mo nya ntro no ibi no so mo ko je gugom ko ye ti bo nya nya si nim mo voice den de ye tie mu we di o so ye nim utiwa wo sorry obi ba mi ko masa nte ba mi nim mo bia voice mo ti mo ye kan o kre ni o je so ma no ma ni ni da se.
Yes, yeah, that's Minia. Hello.
Nyame asumge akaw anakaw papa.
Enkaw so papa Nana Muhammad to asumai.
Bibia bakode.
Adom.
Yo. Anapawe na minche otiefo. Na minche ye na oye ne interview anapawe. All day some papa da bre. Na ono kai. Say we there's your today the omudi bola gugu no na obaka soa do ho makremesa na debit awa community minister kona bi obafa bia me mame ye dia sisi so nti wa oba no pia water bia no na odi bola na gum nti ye ka kira mention bia no omuntimi yesa na fia the president kwatia so opesa akra ayen ati se brochi no entumi esuwo me mame ye besre politics die ewo ho ene personal be ye politics nso ayen no obia na adwen a odi ye no politics abi wo on the opin guma na amanfo etiase Ebi won so oye dwuma. They said the Senate president otekodwa so. Minister for yina MC for yina hwe dwuma dia omuyema omankron Ghana. Obi sin him say only dia me balance and be deep to na me piegum sorodo. Amanfo be tie mi. Na this time dia ka kire ye nuanim say Ghana ne pa bia wo ho no ya trasa level no.
Yeah, that's Nana Mohammed. Hello.
Obi why?
Oja.
Mama no apo mutu say.
Adumo now so e.
Pa cho me ho ya bi di abro me ka se firi gugu ase.
Yo, abewa to asoma yen.
Yo, anope ma mentia yura famia oku. Yura kojo opon kuma. Na yura ajinsam da bi omo bi a me chia omo. Imi o chuma nso dance man e chia na pa. Obi why? Anope ma me more education for me more mabaso. Me de tem bi ameka. First no me dru kaneshi. Na ye ma me mukuta omo ntoma omo pam. Kwa akoton e dia kwa kutua omo me school fees. Obi wa wo studio ya wo ya adwuma kan na me ndai wo be wie no na nkofo gina Asempa ne ye twen ye benye school boa ye enne sa ne me nyina ni hobi NDC for ba omo ti ato like dey nto omo nti bi da hey ye nti mutu ye sa se wa wo hwe se ebra na ye wo more power sa tem crude oil e ba forma ba be do $28 NDC for moto ma Ghana for 14 cedis. And then crude oil, aqua drew $60 to $70. And it can this in also when you are for one fantastic too. And the Jamaican answer NBC there, only Papa Biama, Mamma Konami Jordan to us.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's Minia. Hello.
Hello.
Minia, would you be a free?
If I told Media the
Efo, Boko dear.
Yamia don't boko.
So as my papa. Oh, she also.
Anopa we manuchia ojo ponkroma na bi otransibia na tantra ladies omo tantra here MPP fumba omo kan ho abo na nchiro ebi why hwe ewi ase na ye transi won NDC tokwa afun pe na ekikaw sa be no muka ni se ebi why tokwa afun wa na ekikaw
efo ontiba mu be ntokwa fun wa
abe no muka
enya abe be entokwa fun wa na to ne keka hwe ye pese ye kama NDC 40 asese dua no mo bom opia nso ni ne ene opia ahunyami ene opia so nyami wo Ghana anti se wo dia busumfo po no mo sumbusum no ompo ne yo mo nyina da na mo ni ase ba now see wo dia mo giduabo ni NDC 40 opia da for mo se o mo be sad way because enye nde ohina jeku eno stati sa diabo no anti no se mo fo se we na mo be ye na ye bodua na e be hura ho bi emu ho bi ne egwa ho bi otira utiasi because na do dan kwa kufuado kana ni bia do transfer Ghana wa ho aduma papa do ye magana enye free education wana ni banko bi anti se wo dia wo betra ho na wo si duabo na wo be bodia duabo no e be jana ba mu amusu mina mika e be jana ba mu amusu na mi si hwe yakopon ka so transfer hwe duabo wo bodua no ni pa de wo bo na dua no onye fi ya wa bodua no na e be ba and media me pass and atena say man pipi ni bia bo say and this football bia nti sa ba bia mo board bia no mo gina no me gina yesu di mu ka say back to sender sa plenty way o kasa we na no ntia na no ne tu kata what you see because yet in traffic yes so so full way to Ghana na this for so mo ye de mu na that's it for e wo dia wo dia ba hello mami fa we ntwacho hello.
Oh, you are so dear cow.
Eh, neighbor, so enka so.
Na ka kremu.
Akrebe mu kantin ka kremu.
Kantin ka le say wo be first da bia. Wo be first da bia. And then how come mbeka sama kasia pa. Na mcha ko mcha junior ko fi board juma na head of local government service. Na ato ata. Boss George Wilson. Ofulesia ma msinya misha mo pa. Minya de ya tu ne de eno bi kan ye no se se petrol no so atekakra na we say so percentage no enye kesi bi atu no se pepere tax gu ye so be ye tia na nte na mi no MP4 ye chi ye nwa wo mu na omu samenteni wo menteni sai ina be ma se so ti we education yi o ba ni wo jidie obi anko bi beba And now I can still repeat. You say Dr. Kwame Adokofo, Menshia. And now Dr. Suho na to buy research na po eyi. Se condition na po eyi. Obi nkwa obi beba. Me say me ya suggest me MP, suggest MP, me hu ne da. Me kwa me nkwa koturo. Everything na shia mo. So me do my dene. Uya me ya be ma say also where here your friend say sports minister, Edumadi awodi. Eye eba from guamo. Anything something say what demand so near. Mo fa akonya no to. Na mo do no mampani. Minister Mesramo. Mo mo fa kemu akomapa because they said your man the mampani before man do ya. Say nyamia dumwa don let me stabilize. Nothing is some years back. Any board say a daika. Yempe no pade e MPCA. Mutu mutane betre. Afeni yeso be nyan kwan bewa. Asa. Mo da viatin.
Baby kura akwasa nkwande wan na ebonsu fa nkwande wan ko na yemfansi abusiafo happy birthday enko emma enna wawo ba ama enei listo wo kwadwofojo chese entafo papa wadane entafo papa antenana nyami hira wo papa enne eye madam Rosemary Johnson dodo na afre wa antenana na antenana listo wo kwadwofojo ya wo ye producer e wo Adom FM ene dwaso nsem ba ni nishu se yanka nche o se ne waya ama no chese ne waman gold wo baba ya wo de no ama no a enei wa wontafo se ya fefefe de no ama no osinyame enhira wa antenana ne wadi 60 years ene wo baba ene oba kwadwo dia wafa na ye oba wanye yiwase kura oba kwadwo ne oba ba se yenka ncho santina na nyame hira wo onto nkwa ne momma wo nkwa ahoden ewomuo na emmo a wo de bo abusua no koso saa na efa eboa wo na ofofo so de ye odi aba enso what anyway efia pegusu esojaman district na eba wosi ABY mesrew ye besre pa se gutafo ye wasante mantem no se wo bi wura omayimu anasa wo mo se awowo awura omayimu etu omo locky omo shops no emra no enkita wo bi se wo bi abewura omayimu no amfa mra kwa so anasa wo bi shop po ne namra kwa so a wudi utumi be kasa me kototo shops no ye mamra enya dwuma wo omayimu ebisa ne ekoso edie ye ka Ghana yesubani a enka ho enchia nkoma Dr. Daniel Amani Dankwa Deputy Registrar you of Pharmacy Council ne Ernest ya okumi and so what ne de ya wode aba no sada so na ofofo so de ya wode aba eni we se Obama de we free pokwase na eba o se ABY ene de ma mekwanye na Kamal Dean Abdullahi na watwi wadi ne birthday nyankopon ka ne ho pa na onnom no wonhira no kama baby awo bia me gidi se enane mamu ye nyame onhira na onka ho pa abusuam panimfo aye krado wo de messages no akuabo ahyewa yi adom on Facebook and Asempa 94.7 FM yesumi live ubetumi edibi afa ho na ebresem yakenkan edi amam panimfo aba aye krado ntie wose yekọ na yehye dwumadie na sen medical dia to wanim se kasamafoma Ministry of Education eko Vincent Asefua ewo fia sei sada so na Peter Mensa ewo fia ha NDC communication team wom na minua be ma Gabi Asumin oti Gabi nkan na ya fiafe na chese watwa tum akoma kompanifo edu fia sei panifo makwaba
nyame aba
boko de
ade ahye
na de achen de
boko ne de enye eno ne asam no
sa
na bi wa
me hwe dress yan de ti ho na memene pa wadidi mu sei de a
dindi pa nti bi kran
nti so ka se nya na emu
nse wedding de owiase na obrunya atade no akohye so we no ma hye da bobo ma to hache enti no ebasa no ayi because afimu nyina na ntumi to atade bia nti ba kona wona ebi obesonson na kakrakra sa mere de nsonson bia na obi eye obi esonson ne ho na sika ne wahifa sika no ni ho woni a wodi edi ya ho kyere
ebi mu disika
na won se CDD report abeto se President Kufuor mfie mbienu ntam 9.6 billion 9.6 billion ketase shene proye wanda President Kufuor aban omu die sika na rof I'm telling you but mu for bre
no I'm saying for boto na ewura
everywhere under President President Kufuor apan for ye wura afedo be meba say me ehwan boto na ko say me ma example
report na say
yes
report ne say akọ Kufuor adonkrofo botom
President Kufuor aban so proye ne ketase she come for fakwati kwan so ase no 9.6 billion
and a report na state say Kufuor adonkrofo botom na sika
anahwamo name nka me ma example after of being contaminated fuel no e Ghana for ka $3 million eye Ghana for sika no $15 million Ghana cedis alone
introduction mechiawo enti no
me bechia
there be onchia na ade
ye bi na say me afira bechia Ghana for nyamatre
o ma de patch bi o ye bechia Ghana for na NDC for ni propaganda there as a find form no there de wo mu ne say de bia ye betena studios ho ade ye be ka che Ghana for say ye hunu ne say sabio omo so omo motifie no e yakonya ne ye de yenya de but no nchese sabio ye nim nyansa ana say de omo koso efimu no omo so mu the pockets of the Ghanaian people are determined by the Ghanaian people themselves. It will not necessarily lie and come in immunia bemoti hey and the ebe say Ghana for come the omo na so mo bre hwe Ghana for
no se come din we
Ghana for from 2010 no muntimi nkosuku because of sika ano munie ende omutimi kosuku because of amamo bonia omo de Ghana eko shemu ye call IMF omo ye saade ni bi in 1998 1999 kofo and the buy be ye free IMF mu omo sa ebe ko 2016 no mo saade akɔhye IMF mu se won yare a okɔ hospital minyo ba se won yare a okɔ hospital mo saade kɔhye IMF mu yasa akɔ ye free IMF mu ama ene
Gabi
minyo ba minyo
menga se mon statue o se mon introduction good morning
the military to say there was a freeze on public sector jobs under the NDC mayenka magana for you who say sa freeze no and any hobby ya fan crop over 350,000 the public service
it say nipa do na
it is any panel our tifie no it wouldn't lie in the mouth of Peter to go and tell them say o mani mo edi and when you adwuma ye
yeah that's Gabi
me nuaba
o se yenyo de ma use wani o do wani ura
fe na me ye correction ketu
no
Amedino
sumi nu se toda wan hwe ya ebi baye ne se suman yo se
me na ba no pe ma me nchia me nuana mo ne woni wutima ya hia ha no pe nyina ne Ghana fo nyina na me nchia me party executive especially ya omodo me kwa benyane atwemampo no a anyway me na ba ma me na say mu station ba ko a mo kutwa ntro to former president Mahama so Ibrahim amudo mo pacho na wo de na wo de ko to face wo pacho ho
na no so be see me say
me bisa ne say say ne de ya na o so ko fa ya ko pa ho chewe
say wo introduction apeso ye na no pe
ya we video agoka de me say mu intro na mo ko twa to Ibrahim Mahama so no station ba ko pacho nti wo so de minim so wa pacho anyway and pay mediminchi edikano ne me kan say ebi wa say de ekoso man hwa nyina de ba ko a say ehwe ne yeni say abato na besisa ye shebre 2020 na abato so ne nyina agina ye sha ase say ye den ye churu din akoto aba na wo hwe de ekoso ya de ekoso limited registration exercise ya ebi wa me gitu say as a sample info a sabi omo do Ghana enfo mo ntum no mo kasa nkyere ma meje mensa se
what start na
me yen start se me nchia no
e kan ye topic na ho na hina
na se obi a de ne de fa ba bi ope se what ase nti se what ase
me oba ya che nti ne ne kita adoso ye so botom doso ene o ma ye nyina abuzia no nwotwa ba pa osima aduanan emienu Asempa 94.7 FM empanimfo no wate won initial comments a de eba no ye ka jagum na yakọ yanim na chese ye ne wonumo atwa so afi honomo na David Omari numbers no ana me de atudwa ama no so pese dwumadi a ye wo teste e de baso 0546382 and that's 0546382 no a na chese wo de adwinkyere no afa honomo ama yen na yenko yanim na menhyase emfiri so Gabi wa so muna fa ko emaye baby ahyase efi ye na ato aso ne yenko
yo mi das mi nia ba de na me dishase ye the limited registration ekoso ewo Ghana ha nyina na wo hwe de ekoso a ya ye hyase ye dadwo adabesi enamemne da ya enema nyina kyerɛ sɛ afutu a NDC ene yempanyefo de ma meje mensa ne na pamfo no mani so na media de mekan sɛ de ekoso no nipa bebre ahu empo agegefo akuku dambe senso mo san kotena kunwam esan kan ye sɛ ehokura hia se ye be mo de akọ electoral race no enne ebi o mo nananom mo abusuafo bi akọ register center akọ register no mahu pempen o mahu ne ni pay form o hawo ni ateti na ubisa won say identity at this stage of electoral process ya ye be ma meje mensa o sorry no atuka yikai free nanim ko kana yi sebe na sonte
eno so beto mu zain
Dabi na de o ye fata mini aba
masa se memeti adwam na obo
yo banti
kaji nyebi na mato amede
Dabi na se o de be ka no de oto abeka
kaji obi to ne de obi to ne de yanhwe waka bibi se afutu a
me
NDC for the man electoral commission o manfa afutu ben na mo de man electoral commission
ya futu ye de man titru pa ne se limited registration of free titi ya ye sha abato ase ye no electoral area basis if you say wo kase wo koye no district officer ensunsun sanso no enye papa na ensunsun so ye hu no ebi ne hu mami want the breakdown of at least media mako police centers mako district level areas akohwe na me de mi ba bia me wodo me kwa benya eye case study ye first of the registration you know ye nya nipa 85 mami ko jum second day ya na ye brada no ye nipa 147 third day wu kwada nya 186 fourth day ya wada nya nipa 200 make up linkas no register no 253 ena nru afia da nya 266 na fe wuni nti abane sa
ntia
ye hyasie adwoada no electoral commission form na CS o mo de on person me online registration nti ye hyasie see issue online within few minutes and break it down the entire country online registration process didn't break it down, so they have to resort to the offline registration. So quickly they have to mobilize on BVR, biometric verification devices, they back to start the offline registration. Now make my catch was so called Domiko Abenya police district officer averagely that be any applicants on baho average nipa best 400 and the first day race nipa 85 nipa best 300 e ko fi yantima register mo ade chi na afede na emu ya yehu because I want no miensa ni nipa akosan line wo because just to come and register na ukosan line enye se wakosan line te be register wo. I'm surprised and then post say we applicant now ko ha untimi fa o birth cert in register the only primary document between register a Ghana card. Until you need two
Ghana card.
Yeah, Ghana card. I don't know when it became the
national IDB and as a Ghana card.
National card, the pay. No national ID card, no birth cert. The only primary document a Kurawa.
Mentini, what can I say?
The American say
Ghana card in here or more.
Yeah, Nancy. Oh, and I'm look, I'm coming from the police. Call the electoral commission people and ask them. That is, I am giving you a specific. I'm giving you fact.
Auntie Domeko Benya.
Yes.
Kita Ghana card no yeah mimiti eminya bia won't me register.
so apart from Ghana card, the other requirement is Ubenya. But what? But me kasa, did you listen to me? What are you telling me? Look at this. Look at this guy. My brother. You see, apart from Ghana card, no, the other requirement on your Ubenya 2 guarantors. That is where I was going.
Wo kasa? Yeah. Entina. Wama me home where sorry say was beka say eno nko.
No, I be Sam say. A dear national ID card biom and you bet me they are registered. I'm can say
per mo yeah but better yeah but
okay with you me. Now what be one what the 18 years, what the 19 years, what the 20 all registered that. And you know a voter ID card. Does it make sense? Yes, I know what's I do. Does it make sense?
And you need to yes nipa 2 no
nipa 2 no ID card. Any part 2 ID card.
Somewhere from the near can say say this national identification card.
I am saying sir, when it comes to identify card, the only ID card, so we obia wait me their call, so we register voter ID card, wait me their call a Ghana card. Am I lying? Is not a fact. So call me makurasi. Yeah, watch same across the time do mas now by your register. Let's all best crisis register. Let's all register Ghana card. The only requirement is to get 2 guarantors. Because we register that. Why are you going to get a voter ID card? Walk 5 river.
Into so problem, no.
No, these are the challenges, practical challenges, which is confronting the system. And so any bakubia bar or applicant bakubia where the 18 years, 19 years, 20 years. Eba Santa also be register. So only Ghana card now only voter ID card yeah we need you on the top we need because we come out the person needs 2 guarantors so what you say and it's all free I don't clear be ya betwam I've seen Bekuso abakwa benya the district office eberisa na say we need Ghana card you must come with 2 guarantors now ba no aba sell from homachi a copy nsia tin ya register come at and tokwa because everybody want to register. Now when you sabe me womb at this stage of our electoral process. Look, as at first week of the exercise, no, you register a NIPA 937. I was the constituent secretary in 2014 when we did the limited registration exercise. The first week we have registered 1.6 million people. You rule 1 million first week. And look at the electoral commission and Nana Kufuado or man appointment James Apes on Ghana and we are sitting down looking at James Mianka. Officer Ghana Nidia. Look, so record here. Do you know why it continue to increase? I've already told you, say, averagely center home. A NIPA 400 and above every day. It means half of the applicants who come to the center don't get registered, get back to their houses and come back again. Electoral commission for the show. Why? What kind of process is it? But unfortunately, look, you see, Sanya Maya Kosi at tea any dear mammy, you 10 people don't care. Would you have any opportunity? There'll be the PROs for the electoral commission because the electoral commission I saw say come 2020 no, there'll be another compilation of voters register. And to know and as a limited registration there, yeah for this level election, yeah for referendum to where they are here, they will say it and to be a court. Go to the various centers. Now at this stage, you Bob Bracco and Bob Bracco. The process in every process, you must improve upon it. Why are we retrogressing and nobody's complaining about it? You see, in some way you can. Ubenya other minor political parties. Especially when you have Kabila from CPP stock, electoral commission, CC, they will say Kofi Akpalu, LPG, they are supporting. Go to the
and now then I won't know about Hana which me can was him. Kabila ni ha obeyi ano.
Sanka that is out here the American. He doesn't have to be here. Bisase CPP anybody on the ground. Bisase LPG anybody on the ground. The smaller party anybody on the. It is the 2 major political parties. We are suffering. Omukasa Sabi, they are on your ground. They don't get do anything. They have become political parties on paper.
Sir,
I'm telling you.
Sister,
look, with all sincerity, we need to get serious in this country. And can you adjust jurisdiction? Because about to go to the ground and see what is happening there. Mami James, I'm sure say with other stakeholders, including Kodio and other civil society organizations, they are going to their omoko grounds. You see,
challenges when me ba challenges when mumu solution and this week mo de ba any say yen suspend the registration no. Mo general secretary yen suspend the registration no. Mo solution no.
Oh, me dem me feel say maame no etie no waso pema bebo Ghana fo nyina because
you dey hia so pema suspend na yeden
that dey akwa me kasa ya no waso ma no maame nkasa
wo si wotie
allow me to explain so that you understand where I'm coming from. They make us say what's that process behind the process is not working. The process is fraud with all kinds of challenges. So what you say, suspend the process and review it. So suspend here. Now that we are not doing the online registration, you see the purpose of the online registration as it's saying now say electoral commission or more online system and district office. Now say see when you online or you offline registration, you can go to the various electoral areas to go and why are they not doing it? Why are they not doing it? Now that they are doing the offline registration, look, we have 18 electoral areas. Even 2014, we used to have 10 electoral areas. First week of the registration, we were able to make 1.6 million applicants. We were to register them. Why in first week, you've not even hit 1 million. And you think it's the right way, and you think this is the way we must go. You see, election process start from the race. And so because look, the electoral process, the people are being disenfranchised because you see, some me branch look how much per my normal exercise. I walk from my house to the place every morning. Ask them, me ko tu papa bi ano de ne ba etikamu. Oba ne line no every atran kunya so ala ne bekaka kwamu. And the man was asking, so what is all this? Anyway, I clear when you say, look, the voter ID card no, it is not only meant for election purposes. And the Ghana ha Oko Bank, any identification. Next we need voter ID card. You cannot even cash common open check.
Abusha Gabi assuming na yaten nka no NDC amanyoko no ene communication team oka hu Greater Accra region do mekwa benya so wodi akotene pa ewo mu na wodi we ato hono no na critical thinker de ye ode aba wose ebi wai ka che Gabi ma ye se obuo wonfa ma oba no ema yen na se wobe ka oba no animu de ontwa sokora the new goodness so de ya ode abani won so ne de ya wo bisa o say minim sa hwan na wo bisa na asemi o say are you happy with the current process why do you hate the truth hwan na wo reply ni ni say mum na miko Patrick Tete Clovier so de ya ode aba o say bi wa nyankopon onhira wo ne adwuma wo ye Pop G so de ni o say mehwa mu free Italy na adwuma no ana mo ye nyankopon enka mo ho sila sodum so de ni o say good morning ABY na wo hu ndisi amanyoko no hwe toda utie wo masem mo ka tim se da bi nkrofoi Ghana wo mpe Ghana yiedie eye na nwanwa na obi do kana wo hyeda tetewo se wo afidie mu na opeso obetua wo ka na uhu ne nipa na opeso wo kire abusua yenko yanim mamenko eko Vincent so eko to asoman
minioba Vincent check kana fo ubia wanya akwanya na uti ye Asempa FM anopay mira hopa because I thought say yeah babe have a very decent insult free discussion. So unfortunately ye nya na no pay no
eko we need a better management wo ye no
hoina
to asomai
insult free discussion. So unfortunately Gabi abeto to mfutra gu Ghana fo ani e de dimpanyimfo atam ama issues o senka ye no krempo no wa project no anaso wa present no to make it look as if say enya sanity am say Gabi Ghana ha no from 2016 no ni ha because Gabi e wa ha anka normal ye hu wo Ghana ha under President John Dramani Mahama ene Charlotte Osei abreso anka no metena ha amekeka sansam wo nkyere Ghana for ene wo beka smaller parties asem that they don't have representations on the grounds, they don't have and conform more grounds or mutiomo until now odoma beto hanu ma wutwa omo. Gabi, you are forgotten so soon. To the extent say ekua donko mo fa no call Italy abrochi memu as somebody who was part of a delegation, government delegation. Say Ghana sika e won ho. Has it got to do with electoral process? And then we be smaller parties. Say smaller parties sebio omo ka kabila ka se mientie LPG ka se mientie. Very very unfortunate comment. Very unfortunate comment. Share President John Dramani Mahama, I feel so sorry for him. I feel so sorry for President Mahama. I'm saying this because let me say nebusuafo ana ne nanfofo ase bi omo pana asem entu nofo because they come to nofo no because we come to nofo the failures of the NDC to make sure say they will make him president 2020 no it is now increasing. Adia also NDC NDC as a party
say if you don't share
NDC as a party Adia also yema President John Dramani Mahama mani be president no they are not doing it. That's why I feel sorry for him. Share anopai
obi sorry anopa omo kasa Gabi asema wo ka ne omo kasa no wu ni say omo dey twe mampani dada ba form
I didn't want to name form because you see and pay by newspaper say you could see the strength, the commitment of the MPP to make sure say a year voters registration or my involve your mom. Some of so and the NDC candidate they failed to do anything to support them. Daily guide or see Nanabi rallies youth for voters registration. Share any of the newspapers, Neka chairman, which of them are now NDC party near Sebio or what grounds to help the NDC to make sure say they will galvanize the youth to go and register.
What's a voter region report no? Voter region youth organizer and say baby omuko bia mo MPP for no and na mo prevent a man for from so ombetro mudin ono nam grounds ne we hu no Gabi so dey ne record so that
voter region voter region MPP stopping NDC people in voter region really
na yo nwanwa
MPP stopping people to register in voter region really and my din omo kan ho hwe ABY. Let's be reasonable in this country. The fact say Obibeka say voter region.
Really?
MPP. Numbers are MPP.
Challenge forms kura no we say mo feeling na fe de mo feeling nipa no ba.
Ana wodidi
na unyini.
ABY ana wodidi ye.
Entumi nsi.
It cannot be possible. Hwe no mo ye waso ase. Kura no mo ye waso ase. We get registered. We know all that. The truth is that nationwide, the NDC is not committed to make sure say registration. Me constituency Tafo Pankrono Enrechi. When I was in Tafo Pankrono constituency, you could see the commitment of the party executives, police station executives, a bukra tongo tomsika at the organized bars to move people to the centers. What is the NDC doing about this? That is why I'm saying I feel sorry for President Dramani Mahama. Because we feel say we have an onerous responsibility as a party to make sure say Ghana for. So what change for so if you are galvanizing them, if you are mobilizing them.
Electoral Commission no.
Debut. You better about 2020. As a party, you are a strong stakeholder of the electioneering process. Into year from no, you make sure say you be man crofo be akwa register so that they will be able to exercise their franchise as a Ghanaian. And this what to honor say oh nyebi. Oh, fan won't shame, oh, involve you to say the Mokoya ayawasono. When you failed to do any mobilization or put in strategy whatsoever. Na say election no ko lose. Now be jira na afi dey easy that na beto apaso na ultra easy. When you have reneged on your own mandate as a party executive or a party member to make sure say when mobilize on call for akwa register. If you are failing to do so, men for wasem and famba electoral commission so because now the agenda is that electoral commission to kaji. Electoral commission so ya watch pons. Ukwasa wontie. Nemo ni we afi ne ho. Emre bi etwa mu a. Emre bu etwa mu a. Electoral commissioner ya wo kromu ha. E ka say we like it, we saw it, we love it. Without listening to the concerns of the Ghanaian people. And ne gabi we afi ho abetena e ka sansem we. Hwe Edua Mame Kensi Sudia say President John Dramani Mahama often an into for me because the party executives of the NDC are failing him. They are not doing what is really necessary. Necessary. They are failing. And no deba. No mo dey akwa kutwa NDC for because on betina radio so they make you look as if say easy for the ABBA. They have reneged or they have checked on their own responsibility to partake in the electioneering process. It is a John Dramani Mahama also be winning election 2020. Because your party people are failing you. They are not involving themselves in the groundwork to make sure say and kwada more by 14 years, 15 years, 16 years.
Systems process or mode ye adwuma no wo hu ne se boa nipa no do no atumi
say the only requirement for you to be able to register a voter's ID card. Me what?
Okay, national identification card.
Sorry, Ghana card. Fine. That's the point I want to make. Or I said the only requirement is Ghana card.
The only identification.
The only requirement as an identification. The only requirement as an identification for you to be able to register a Ghana card. That's not okay. Because what do you use passport? And the registration. Ghana card. Are you saying it's a passport and registration process is not?
ID card.
How can you get Ghana card? It's not about the numbers. It's not about saying the send our passport. Is that a requirement or not? Of course, it's a requirement. So you can't sit on a bigger platform like Asempa. No more to foot to Ghana for any say. The only requirement is a Ghana card. Ghana card. Here then on your Ghana card. How do you get a Ghana card? You get a Ghana card based on the fact say one. Or birth certificate or their registration mebuana. So how can a birth certificate deny you in having a year voters ID? And so I'm telling you that a birth certificate authority requirement no passport can home, birth certificate can home, voters ID can home because and no Bibiana no 18 years. There are some people who did not register. And I said they want to register onto the system now. So there are some of them who are having voters ID and they can go and register. Driver's license, you can go and register. Because and you be when you're 18 years old, ABY. You know, when you're 18 years. There were people who have been 18 years 2 years ago. People who have been 18 years 3 years ago. What driver's license? Send the panel to go and register.
What answer my question is you so ye jumano when you saw.
Absolutely, because
register.
ABY, yeah, the sentence not to ja. That is why we have given a time frame. Ghana ha, yes, start here. They be obia person acquire the item no free more. Don't be surprised that in the last hours of this registration, you will go to the centers and you will not find people.
Sana electoral commission pending for me omo so ya starting into nipa
absolutely sanity
you ben na watwe awi obehun se nipa no so bete but still nipa no da so ubuso
na ya start at the say how many days do you also have
a week ni ekwo you say na watwe na
how many days do you have
say one more time
you have more time you have more time for people to register
but say Gabi analysis I wo say we compare first time registration because the last time because no na with by 5 days or say week no nipa no ma register bon be 1 million e chire and they say wonum ne nam 900 o say wabra population Ghana say population no kra yakọ animu eti senke ya nke wo say mu say nipa no kra no ya bro sa 1.5 no
target electoral commission dey man say there was a target by the electoral commission itself. Electoral commission omo target as to how many people they want to register within a time frame. If that time comes, they are able to register or otherwise. If they have not been able to register, the onerous responsibility will lie on the electoral commission to expand, or if you like, to extend the time frame. Say Ghana for day, register. Since it wouldn't lie in anybody's mouth. Just for propaganda purposes, and I say to make sure say electoral commission chairperson or not to a person who turn untino or my better say Debbie. I am hoping and I'm very, very much fulfilled with the time frame electoral commission diama from now to the time we be and Kodani be brave bit me register. Dear also NDC 4 year and they say they have to involve themselves. I'm a form who shame. Udu mushimwa nkwadano ase bi wafe no manya 18 omanya 19 20 they want to register no ometima masan nkwadana yede akwa register enye afe ne ebetwa electoral commissioner. That is not the point.
Yeah, that's it. Ebusia Eko Vincent Asefua na yatene nka no MPP communication team okamo sada so no ne kasama forma so ye hwe o me ya disua mu nsem so Ron captain de ya wode aba wo say ABY se obi bodua na se oni basis bia ye odi bodua na enya dwuma nti omo se omabodua no ja omo na omudua bo na omabo no omo fanko omo ni mefi se toda na wote kwan a NDC amanyoko nipa bi fa so kasa especially one ye frɛ ya electoral commission wo twa wadapa no ABY se omo ama omani ana ho no mo a abatro na ye to no sila so dum de ye ode ba o se ABY won NDC amanyoko no mo de ye ka omo hwe Ghana wala omo nka ho kra ebi omo onya de se omo ka ho Kwame Wusu Ekinso edieni o se emehwe ofi Germany na NDC amanyoko no mfie mienu ne fa pe opposition ena chese wo ho hyehyebo nea chese Ghana nyina nhye toda no wo ho enwanwa Derek Ayite so se mehwe mu free community 20 lachibi ebi wa nyankopon enka mo ho Samuel Kwache wo dame so edieni o se bi wa London na mehwe mu efri na Ghana fo no a wo ha Nigeria fo no ena mefesa medema no atumu bi se saade ye bi koso 80s no mu ye si wo Ghana fo wo Nigeria fo mu no na ngenti e besre Ghana fo no se wonya ne wo ye no Bonsu Frank Kwadwo so edieni o se South Africa ena mehwe mu free Sun City na meton safra mu se momra South Africa yo ye beba ye ba so ye ba be hwe obobi big boss so edieni teacher mante o se NDC amanyoko no ni bibi papa bia de mo man Ghana ayampia saa na wonu mo eto kwasi akwaso edieni o se ABY yesro ka kire mpanimfo a wodi o mayanimu ma yese Ghana ha no enye ba akofo de wo Ghana ye nipa ewo mu nyina de nti ma omu mihevu asif se Ghana ye omodea obi constitution ni kire se enwasi etieti obi fa ahudie so so obetwero ni din anaso obeto aba eti se isifo ye bibi ye betieti obi fa ahudie so a wontumi nto aba momianse kire no ne yenka ne yie ebi so oman no enya MPP for dia ena enya aban bia so dia Ghana for ena oman no eye nipa no nyina edia abusua ye guso Asempa 94.7 FM so enie yenko na menua Peter ento aso emaye Peter so
ABY mamenchia o menchia Ghana for ajebre na wotie Asempa kukurantumi dwumadi em se ahafufuo etie o program ipa entimi fa kwanya so na menchia ahafufuo nyina me mikromfuo yen ADC regional chairman of ayachire ene ne executive adwuma so a omodi agu akwan se the 6 constituencies ni nyina no 2020 yebeje ni nyina ede ama NDC no kwasem ye mo wabaso na asutifi south for so me ma wonchia so nko me am constituency kolenda da chia no
mo hono mo na report no complaints ni sha asie fie
tikura na mete ha na me wora ho ama de your friend se minia echo can because practically no we need practical experience from the grounds into the okano when maybe mame emfa kwenye so na menka se kwenye mprekon demonstrate demo ebeba on the 9th July Ghana ni bia ne o mu se ene president Akufo-Addo amamu a ahokyere abedokro Ghana fo ene a petrol bu a mo be fan 14 Ghana cedis ene 24 Ghana cedis ene gadifo a wo mu so moduma guo na dollar eye 4 Ghana cedis a Dr. Mamu Banwa ye dede ene dollar no eye 5 Ghana cedis 40 pesos ene ye kasei ene adwuma e fo wo ma hwere wo na adwuma over 1 million me di besi so na ma yiwa no o ma hwere wo na adwuma banks mako nkro ye gune kwa ene yet wo ye sorry ya yes microfinance 347 President Akufo-Addo gune kwa mabu no mo hwere mo adwuma wo sa banks no wan
won answer me question na ebre no ne wode ye
no to me di besi any insecurity level are rising under President Akufo-Addo Ghana for die na no President Akufo-Addo abanya o kire wa adwen kire wa na wonfa de wo muni mane oye kire enti yesi ye oye kire e de akire President Akufo-Addo na ban se yewu ahoche na dukuru yen enti wo yesere no eni ya sori ya yesi your friend is saying electricity bill eni ya sa tomu
ko yasem no so ma ene enko ye ni moan abusia no nkra ba pa usima edumiensa e wa Asempa 94.7 FM so
nyina ye be sere se omomra ye go street enti Ghana for ye sere se obi ameka ye ho na knife yenya sa oye kire we nche President Akufo-Addo nyema hu se timamfo aye to abama no enye sa tibia se ne to abama no se omaye megum sa tibia we die e chen ye friend is saying nkosuma Israel fompo ekoye na woni bebe everywhere anope me wura ho se de me kan se practical experience no yimi nyaye de din kan momenti enfiri wo se de na minia Gabi Ekano me say your friend is saying eko wante Gabi asema okan ye ne say oko registration center practically or making emphasis to the conference ya free evidence say oko the only identification card ayeje ansa na wetu nya voter ID card no Ghana card,
and that's not true. It can't be true.
He is talking about practical experience and so you have to go and verify. And it is not only there. It is not only there. So several district as well complaining say so okwa the year say only the guarantor issue. That is where they emphasize more because you said youth 18 will be any voter ID card I'll be to media ba but it's only or more old voter ID card no and at the baba new voter ID card and most of the people no you say for guarantors but to say they now Kenya Ghana card no the passport any birth cert na ye it is the passport any birth cert and a Ghana card there should not be any way I bet me restrain you be birth cert or voter ID card manenye. There should be no way say obi okwa passport say okwa voter ID card manenye. Your friend is saying voter ID card because Ghana card now we expect no the key document near passport and birth cert and he's giving you practical experience which is going wrong. Sure everywhere mama can't say me I mean fact discussion in room ye mama Mensa the look a bra or befa Benya said the chairperson of the electoral commission then say ya wadi go no say the woman is a threat to our democracy. And I will tell you why. The woman is a threat to our democracy in the way say my minister say ya wadi go akwamu no timamufu a was yen say my bua timamufu no onya mane moye. At the end of the day we want do so ne say oba be hwe na your electoral system no amaye the beacon of democracy over years no over time no etumi akwa animu. And limited registration no everyone wouldn't say over time no you know the electoral areas 6,000 electoral areas and they free buy your proud you also be centralized no and so you the electoral areas in the way say proximity to move for grass you come me ahafo ahafo your district capital and you hwidim you won't club it to say Kapiase, Mosiaso, and Kasem, and Kampum, and when you know the center, and you should you. And Tiene Mammy de Mensa say, with a conimo, the banner when 18 years, no offering free Kapiase, no funny Rashidium and son of 2 year registering a voter ID card. With a conimo, one of Fiafe and Obakidium, about last market. Obafa from a free Kapiase, Bedu Mosiaso.
odumo sia so a wasafa fom aba bedu ye friends nkankrom ansana wa fankasemu ka obedu nkasemu a wansana wa fahwedie mu ka. So look at the situation now. Sir of a corny man, 18 years ago. Obedu Shidium Center. Obedu Hono. What that's life it's an opa akodru numre no. Ebo no numro, yes say, Mammy James and the machines are the best hono, machines in your juma. Into one sound quite capiase, and the Achia was samba. This is the practical situation now. Ghana Folcom, and then a person in Yako. In Cambodian country electoral commission say the system has been there. Ma onya sobrache because na on 20 na say na oh ye no at the end of the day she's going to disenfranchise a lot of Ghanaians omanya 18 years emra ye mra kuni 1992 constitution kire say also omunya access to voter ID card. The woman is going to disenfranchise a chunk of Ghanaians from having access to the voter ID card. Asama ye kanono when it will be why mamenka na eko enti asese hwe last me bahaba kachira say ma minister say na o hwehwe no e be favor the MPP na obi say say die na be kire say e be favor and na me nua e convincent adia to mu say omo MPP die taxpayers money they basi amanfo ko polling center and omo ko registration
taxpayers money
na ho mu sika be na omo de basi amanfo no omo MPP die omo nya sika and e basi amanfo e de omo ko your friend say polling centers sika mo nya free wa hima no sika no mo nya free wa hima and the whole 245 districts na ya wo
mansa o kan ne kan ya na say
o mo basi amanfo de ko no o say taxpayers money last say na sika no mo nya free fa it is our money this across the various centers o basi amanfo at the court centers and the court registration and na obusa critical question how na basi omo how would you know say nipa wey or you 18 years wey say okokoro registration? This is what they are doing. And at the end of the day, it's a mami Jemensa Edigu Akomo. It is killed because ya bana was so yen sikan ya tiswo ye di and a common diamond for yam gene wamo. And Tigana Frank at the end of the day no electoral areas a hotra abba eko ko baby o mesi adiati obi per 1 Ghana cedis kwa nkwaduro. No,
it has always been like that.
So, you see, Obenya Kasika, after free Capiasia, Babedu Shidium, when Sika, Shishua, Yansan, and the Ban Obetun and a bar about Hidim by registration. And now, people are buying the more Basi Amanfo, and to a quarter the Nebuga. Nyanyanche nkonti bana ntabo na mo di omachie enti wo mo tin kwase a wo munya sabio access to sa card ya mo de basi amafo no mo de mo nkotenko at the end of the day be salai the woman has failed Ghanaians in terms of on an electoral system or diaba ma mencha wa de
sane wo kan say omo ewo nkro nketua mo ntumi ma say first no mo ka say district offices no mbeye sane gabi kan say mutu omofo me by ko wiase no enkobasa district offices no nko a electoral areas ni bi wo hono mo a o ma ye centers ni bi wo ho de aka ho ti say ye wo kan so obi ofre kura bi asa je so wo district office nye ni na na district office
everywhere we ni bebe e ya danko dada de
ye he na ya danko
and I want to see mu betuo no e ya danko dada de mame Jenesa obeto the electoral commission. The electoral commission has been in existence together with IPAC no ye transition say ya e be boama ye electoral system no etime de ediwo over time no penifo anje sa na ye transition say ye limited registration for electoral areas so you consider the cost of living of the people, the living standard of the people, because okay so be 19 free kapia semrahidima abona ye tie the SCM amena aye and say ye ka sanka yenye offline registration wo de obeye your friend say center obeye district based campa yenye no offline because yenye no offline na registration etumi ko fast etumi ko more enti at the end of the day nipa ne bakra won check ma me se chinchina mesa ye no online enti yenye afutu aye de man na wantie no ene ne omama tikopo wo first registration first day wo kwa atwuma mpomia kumase na Ghana for kosa life it ahomaten no miensa
na meka so wakoto ni bi ehunu ye koso anya sanya online nkwa no de offline
mame chawade the hypocrisy of the mame any asobrachi a oyeye the starting of the process it was totally online. The first day a problem by Yantam said the woman has failed Ghanaians. The first day I see you testing online and at the whole country you fail ye.
That very day no meba that very day no menim penifo na wo electoral commission no meba meni omokasa ye ni omka ni say ye kono ye boa ye ho om se even hyiamu kro om ne om stakeholders ni ye mo ma mo te ase say mienu ni nyina be ye adwuma say we nu efeli agbo beba and then enya no na course wo ground so
penifo adai when it come to politics in Ghana and the electoral system in Ghana, many a call uni sa pass a ban sadiana nimdia if any nimdia you were said ketia aka. You was signing you were said ketia no, they didn't listen to that.
Yeah, that's it. Abusia no nkroba pa husima aduonu mienu amani be mu na ye nkoye ni yeguso eye Peter Mensa na yatene nka no NDC communication team mo oka ho amani so ma menua abusia amani aka communication team ho ewo MPP amanyoko no ko Eastern region so a ene wo try to obedi chairman wo anya ni asudin no aka no so enti chairman so mne enko
everywhere medase na mefa kwanya so ama minya NDC ni muniye so tumfutro gu nkrofo ani na uko mimpata mu ye Achimkede constituency madam ase executives ne bodjuma omune nam na omo educate enkola ne mpanifo a omadu da age na omuntimi register so omo register. I think say as a citizen of Ghana and nema we na say ye bom abaso my ade na regional executive so me chiamu money yo mo bodjuma e say encourage mu na mo yodjuma papa enye dede na meba asem na nkasa so Ghana ha no aya ade wi ani ya san betra ni ye keka itribum mi ya kasam wakasem de ni nyina ne say electoral commission so nkomo deploy ni pako every police station as a normal practice na nko bia register na o share records even as of today meeting abubo bi acho okoba bi ti say Kadi constituency omo both online and offline na omo dey asem ne court no em say first no mo dream say be electoral commission office but as of today enye sa no mo ye no omo ye say zones we be call say krone ebembe and my one area no ma but because first no krone also baby to say atobruso ni nipa be a mba ko si a table electoral officers wo na nipa be a day no nipa 2 per no ma register to be kra day no obi an register kra no na che eka ne ebo as a country see e be tuan crofo ka omba ko transia omonye hwe as a daddy kahu na UC boss oba no so no person prudent management in terms of that it no omatimi scale up say okay so how cry hwe na nipa 2 pe na be register aden ye nya no one zone na che enkola na ko nearest zone no ma ko register to save say perceive so be over 18 years and I only 18 years no more year because omo maka dey omo registered that
empanimfo ni bi wo hono mo registered
that's the idea it is omo ye ne sa na akate cost what you say and no chance o mo bi say on to aba okay there's yenya obia ni wa on election wa hada me we wa election be brave
omo ye ne sa o ya ne sa no akate cost.
Oh yes.
At the expense of wine.
Oh now onipa listen uko akra bi asene nipa 3 e ba be register with table one just the whole program nipa 3 pe na ba be register as a country me a cost penny nipa more register the whole I should you don't okay mami go you ma or mami me can o kasa man kasa I don't know no then they have to stop. You know,
the public electoral areas are not communities. Seven communities.
Gabi.
Okay. Omu ni grounds. Omu feel say Ghana ha ni nyina ya Accra. Okay, that's the idea in elections. Ghana no ni nyina ya Accra. Me say per records. Okoba bi to say atim abomosu. Anasa okoba bi to say asuom atabu so ne akawani wona. Okọ akawani aye letter friends say police station. Okay, a day no nipa na omo be register na whole program na nipa bia 5.
You don't even know the electoral process.
Okay, na nipa na ko chance nipa 5 akọ register near the table abani calculate bia ni police stations around na near mom one zone na table akọ no ma ko register. What's wrong with it? I don't know, so my boka the blay for just a limited registration. No election never no cry be a Sunday registration. As a manager, or no or two or James and or two or yes or Basse or the two Sikagu. Send you NDC for you because of election. Because of election, you spending unnecessarily. Now on money we are maybe no a taxpayers' money. Near the Akotiaka. Nani Pabia Chanom their show but no money. Where are you? You say you are then just district election, right? If you are not made election or more cool they because of 2020 election. And we are in your registration.
Electoral Commission.
This is your registration. You know,
and I was say ye we no sare biara.
No, only ye biara. O kan say maybe who yaw. When biara say. So no ti hanu. Oh yeah, listen.
Yeah, for district assembly.
No, I'm saying say ono ti asese ye election. Ono akọ aba ma ne ho say bia district election. Ye to aba kwan be no mo fa so mankrofo be to aba. Omo encourage nkrofo mo tia transport. E ba be to aba mo. Why are they not doing same? Utimi koto aba ma wo di say wo ye constituency chairman ya. Utimi koto esika anaso wan tu esika kwa encourage nipa no. E mo no ba be to aba wo constituency wo. E ma
and we are the responsibility of the political party.
We are all Ghanaians. We are all citizens of Ghana. Ghana, sudie say ye hwese ye betuaba. What you say? Sudie say ye betuaba. Listen, sudie say ye betuaba. Ofu say abani ye to no. We are very interested to vote as a citizen of Ghana. You are committed. You have to do halfway. And yes, I see they trying to can you buy my no next year near Boca near you the tax no brace you yeah the same my crona man say tax no yen yent me tua masa NDC for e wa sisi o mu ye de o no offer o mu ba sen crofo mu register they are doing it me yakra say yakra MPP for e wa sisi ano ye crofo su say say hwe kwan e be fa so e be boy crofo no mu so be register. What's wrong with it?
Now, political parties, I'm a new Mohunya. We are then a show be an increnchi. We can say we were MPP in intimate never call or NDC in intimate. More than a identification, more than
we build on history. Okay. Me, Oko, Micro Machimasumo, Bianim Sam, Mifie, Nipabian who obey NDC. We know until Bian the level of people who vote for them. And you think I call your friends voter Yanko Bia Crembo. Oh, and it happens. And I mean, maybe a penny, say John Kano. So Nipa, and I'm wa. Election there, you can say, you're too about Bia Betuamo. But say, Oba Nipa, and I say Nipa Buano, I make sure say electoral process no go through no. And here. Say you sit in the system about you don't come and sit on radio say and you bogus so you say
ko achima suom ne the other years akọ no na nipa no asalai etata so ana say e ho de niam mu da ho mo register ko animu
ho no mo say niam mu da ho fenchem memo record bibia koyi as a day 4 offline at Kede constituency offline ko no mo register 195 Jamestown no mo register 90 online. And so we register 6 challenges 0. Me wa record now 0 and the one. I'm saying, you know, zero records.
Sir, yeah, almost online, maybe. So almost on buy online. Na say be offline challenges be ama.
Wait. Asama Awoka, listen.
On the numbers by
wait. Osiminya report no way. Wait, a research director. Kede constituency a report na make. And we a platform so unia. Mo kasa obi anhamo. I don't know obi kasa.
Me say abusua ye twa ye ho aba ye ba na tiawa ya toa so ene ne course asantema ntem na watwi ene eto ya mpanimfo se ye atwumu na mu ensem ne de abetoa so ye na ye hutia wamra